Today, we're going to be talking about something that's pretty hot right now. We're going to be diving into the world of MLOps.
Oh, yeah.
And
It's
specifically,
a good one.
we're going to be looking at professional certifications
Yeah.
in this field.
Nice.
Yeah.
MLOps is
If you're out there and you're thinking about maybe getting a certification in this space,
yeah.
this is the episode for you because we're going to be talking all about what it could mean for your career.
I had lost the connection for a few seconds. So, okay, let's get started. So today I'm going to teach you Ansible Playbook. Okay, what is Ansible Playbook? How to write a playbook, how to troubleshoot playbook, Ansible variables, conditions in the playbook, and all this stuff. Okay, so these are the something which I'm going to teach you today.
Okay.
The question is, what is playbook? So playbook is basically is a YAML file. Simple YAML file. Simple. Now, why we need playbook? Why we need playbook? So I'm not going to tell you why we need a playbook. Rather than you are going to visualize that why we need this. So uh, I think where is our notes? This is the one, right? So here, tell me one thing. This is the ad hoc commands we run last time, correct now?
Yes.
And did you understand that what is the problem now?
Duplicate commands.
So too many commands are there.
Yes.
Getting opens. So we don't want to run too many commands. We want to run
Yes. Yes.
one file. Okay, one file where you have all the
Mm.
modules. Correct now?
Okay.
So that's the
Yes.
problem.
Yes.
So here
Yes.
we need playbook. Why we need playbook? To have all the modules in one file. That is the one reason. Got it?
Yes. And also it is used for automating, I think, right? Instead of
Yeah.
yeah.
Also parameterized also. Variables and all you can parameterize. Easy to share. Easy to share and all the stuff. So there are some of the reasons why we need a playbook. So question back to what is a playbook? It's YAML file. Then you'll ask what it contains. So it contains few things, few section basically. One is host, okay, and then second one is tasks. Host and task. So then you'll say contains host and task. Host means what? So host means it can be local host or it can be group name or it can be all. Now group name means any idea? All means so group name means remember this is the inventory file. Web is a group, div is a group. Got it?
Yes. 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 Yes.
Ha. So it's a YAML file which contain localhost or group name
Group
or all.
name. All.
Now
Yes.
task means remember it's a tasks S. Okay. So here you have a task one. Here you have a task two. Here we have a task three. Then you will
Hmm.
say what is a task one, task two, task three. So basically this task one is equal to nothing but module and its parameter. Got it? Modules and its parameter. Now what is a module?
Yes.
So you see this is the module, this is the parameter. Correct now?
Yes. Yes.
Hello? So this is the
Yes. Yes.
playbook.
Module playbook. Okay.
Yeah.
So you're saying that
So
copy
this
is a module, delete is a module, and whatever params you're sending, that will be the parameters.
right, yeah. Got it?
Yes, yes, got it.
Yeah. So now can we write YAML file? Yes.
Yeah.
So I have a last day we did this ad hoc commands, and
Mm.
the same I'm going to convert into YAML file playbook.
Yes. Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So now playbook, I need one example for it. So what I will do, go to my Debugschool blog, playbook example, and here this is the one. I'll just copy it first few lines of it.
Okay.
Okay. So now
Okay.
I copied it. So this is the YAML file. So see here,
Hmm.
I told you here playbook contain hosts and task. So here you have a
Yes.
host S,
Hmm.
remember, and then
Hmm.
task. Now
Hmm.
which task? So here apt task, copy
Hmm.
task,
Copy
sorry,
this.
copy apt module, copy module service.
What
How
is
do you
module?
write then? So I don't know. How do we write YAML
Hmm.
file task? So I'll go
Yes.
for it, Google and Ansible module apt. This is the one. Now you have come to this page earlier also. Now this time I'll go to examples. Look at this. I will not bother about too much. I'll go to example, and here you have all this YAML file examples are there, or depends on your use cases. Okay. So I'll just simply copy this and enter this YAML. You have to learn little bit. 1 2 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. That's all done. This will install Apache latest present and done. So first one is completed. Understood now?
Oh, okay. Got it.
Now second one is copy. What I'll do, Ansible module
Copy.
copy, enter. This is the one, and
Hmm.
go to examples and
Hmm.
copy this one. Now
Okay.
first thing, I don't need, I need source and destination. I don't want to change owner, group and mode. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Done. Now what is the source and location? So this is the destination and this is a source. Simple. No need to complicate too much. Second task is also done. Third task, task 1, task 2, third task, service task.
Service.
Are you understanding?
Yes, yes.
So go to the examples, copy this one here, put this 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Never use a tab, okay? So here started Apache 2.
Okay. Okay.
Apache 2 done. So this you started service. My playbook is ready. Likewise, you have a hundreds of tasks. Write it down in this file and your work is done. Are you understanding now?
Yeah, got it.
So now the question is, how do we run it? So here I'm running in the group name web. Do we have a web? Let me check. I forgot actually last time what I showed you. So here inventory, here inventory is there, right? Where is that? Let me create it.
Not there.
CD. Let me create one directory Ansible, CD Ansible, and I'm creating one inventory file which has a this one. Okay,
Okay.
and
Okay.
so here, what is IP address? It's 232. Okay, cool. One is right, the rest of this is fake IP address. Inventory entry done. This is the one done.
Hmm.
So I have a
Okay.
web is having 3 machines. So write in
Okay.
this in vi web.yaml, enter. Oh my god, this is disaster. What to do now? So I'm going to access through copy paste in WSL is disaster actually. So what is username? Rajesh123 sudo -s Rajesh123, and here go to the Ansible, and here vi inventory there vi web.yaml and enter, and now copy and
How come in your local it is not coming with proper indentation, but here it is coming with proper?
WSL console is creating trouble for YAML actually, but
Okay.
put is not creating trouble, so that is it. Done. Now you got the inventory. Now you got this web.yaml. Now what to do? It's nothing great. Ansible -playbook. Remember, when you have ad hoc command, you use Ansible. When you have a playbook, Ansible -playbook -I inventory and then web.yaml. Now remote machine, so you have to give these options: username, password, become, and password for the become. Let me run this. Enter Rajesh123. Become password Rajesh123. And one machine will be passed, remaining will be failed. Completed. This is okay. Fail, pass, pass, fail. Got it?
Rajesh, for other VMs also, I changed to NAT to adapter settings, as you told in first
Mhm.
two classes.
Bridge,
So, if,
bridge.
yeah, adapter bridge, no? Yeah,
Hmm.
bridge. So, now if I give those VM IP addresses also for testing, it will work, right? Outside also it will
Yes,
work, no?
yes, it will work. Yeah. Okay. So I index.html was missing. I created one more time and rerun. So first machine is passing, pass, 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 pass. Remaining machines are failing. That's okay. Is anyways that those machines are not valid. So now did you understand what is a playbook?
Yeah, so instead of writing manually and executing, you created an AML file with all the modules, with the task, which is nothing but modules and commands under it, and you're running it. That's it.
That's all.
Script basically you're running it. Okay.
Yes. So now you see that this is a do multiple task in one machine. I did it. Do multiple task playbook in one remote machine. I showed you. Do multiple tasks in multiple remote machine using inventory. I showed you. Do multiple tasks in playbook with multiple remote machine in a group. I showed you. So what you have to change? Only this one. Here it can be localhost, group name, or all. Simple. Understood now?
Okay. So you mean group name means we will create groups in Linux and
No, no, no. Again,
IAM
your
groups, no?
no. Group name
Oh,
means I think you have to revise the older one. Group name is this is a group, no? Inventory. This is the group.
yeah. Oh,
Inventory
okay.
file.
Okay, okay.
You have to
Okay. Got it.
got it?
Yeah, sorry, sir. Yeah, got it.
Yeah. Now next topic is variables in Ansible. Okay. And here specifically variables in Ansible playbook. How do we define the variables in Ansible playbook? That's the question. Now let me show you in one go only. This you can use as a reference also. Here Ansible playbook. Sorry, Ansible variable, no? Variable. So here you have variables and done. Now this you can use as a reference. So now first thing, let me show you the example for it.
Okay.
Look at my screen, all of you. This is the one code I'm copying it and explain line by line. Okay. Now this code is functional code. Now you understood this line?
Yes, it's a group name.
Group name, correct?
Host. Yeah.
Which is inventory, which is mentioned in the inventory file. Okay, so
Yes.
now the question is how we declare the variables. So actually you declare the variable in playbook many ways. So one of the ways you can hard code the variables in the playbook itself. See that this is hard coded. So vars colon variable name values, variable name values. So these all values are a string. Remember, if you may have a number also, you may have a boolean also. So these all are string. Okay, so here this is how you can declare a variable. Now next question you'll ask, okay, now I know that how to declare a variable. Vars colon two space and then variable name colon space and then values. But the question is how do we use the variable in the playbook? That is an important question. How do we do that? So for that, come to this one. See, there is one variable name package name, and if you want to use it, curly braces double and then variable name. That's all. Simple.
Okay.
See here, one variable, second variable. See, this is how you use it. Double curly braces and use it. So instead of hard coding here the package name, I'm using variable name. Same code which I showed you last time. Got it?
Yes, yes, got it.
Then you will say, Rajesh, I have 40 variables and I don't want to embed in the playbook file. I feel little irritation with that. So what do we do? So I'll say not to worry. You can create external files. Some name of the files can be anything. You can create an external file and keep all the variables and values in that. So here I'm creating one file, vi vars, and here all the variables I am copying and pasting in that. Rajesh Kumar in file, Rajesh Kumar in file, and my age I'll increase by 19 and Apache to let it be there. Are you understanding? So here values are different. See here, here values are different. Here values are different. So this way also you can pass the variable. Are you
Yes,
understanding
got
now?
it. Yes, yes, yes.
Now, now you will say, Rajesh, I have a same variable here also, same variable here also, and I may pass same variable somewhere else also. Which one is having highest precedence? So this answer you have to give me in the next class. You
Which
declare the
one is
variable
having highest distance? Okay.
precedence. See here,
Okay.
the value of my name is Rajesh Kumar. The value which I embedded in this, my name is Rajesh Kumar in file. When you run it, one values will be there, not all, right? Only one values will be there, right?
Yes, yes.
So which is having highest precedent, you have to teach me. Got it?
Got it, got it.
Okay. So now there is one way to pass the variable. There's another way to pass the variable. Now you say, Rajesh, I want user to input the values from the command line, interactive. How can I do that? So here we have a var prompt colon, and the variable name is version, and whatever the prompt after that you give that input, type it, it'll become a values for version variable. This is for
Okay,
just
so
helping.
command line. Right.
Ha, interactive.
Okay.
Okay. So on private no means whatever you type, when you say private yes, it will not be visible. Private no means it will be visible. So this is the one way to pass, create a variable. There's another way. There's a third way to set a variable and pass the values. Are you understanding?
Yes, yes.
Okay, now go for this. Okay, this is the one task. Here we have used variable. This is another task, no variable. This is another task. There is I have used the variable instead of hard coding. I have used the variable. Now you'll say, Rajesh, I want to display the values on the console for the variable. Example, if you know Python, then printf. If you know shell scripting, echo. If you know C++, cout. If you know Java, println. So these are the ways to display the values on the console where you are running. Correct now? Hello.
Yes. Yes, yes.
So,
Correct, correct.
so now, so in Ansible, how do you do that? So there is one module which is called debug module. In Ansible, there is
Oh.
one module called debug module. Using that, you can display any variable on the console wherever you run this console. Got it?
Oh, okay. Yeah,
So
yeah,
here,
got it.
I'm having debug module and which variable, my name, which I'm declaring it somewhere here. I want to display on the console. Okay. Now, then you say, you will ask Rajesh, instead of declaring the variable at a playbook level in a hard coding in the playbook or pass in the variable file, can we declare the variable pass during the task execution? Yes, we can do that. Look at the line, include vars, and this is a task vars file. Yes, you can include during the variables using the task variable also. Okay. See here, Rajesh Kumar.
Okay, I mean to say, just like nested function in Python, in the same way, in one YAML file, you can pass another YAML file. That is what you're saying,
Yes,
no?
right. So here you can pass the variables in task level also. And here again debug module and all. Now you'll say, Rajesh, I want to set the variable but not hard code the value. Then you add, hey, I want to set the variable but value should be the output. Please here, value should be the output of the one of the module. How do we do that? This one. Look at this. There is a one module called shell. I am running some commands in this particular directory, and whatever the output of this values, whatever the output of this, that as a value will be set to this variable. That means registered is a one of the ways to set values for the variable from the output of that particular module. It can be any module as such. Are you understanding?
Yes.
Yeah. So now, do we have which directory right now I'm into? So root Ansible, good. And some text file should be there. So touch raj1.txt, raj2.txt, raj3.txt. Now this environment is created. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this whole playbook and I'm going to name this as a vars.yaml and not vars play dot yaml and paste it. Now what I will do, I am going to modify the inventory, and inventory I'll remove this machine because I don't want failure message, and now the commands will remain same, which is this one. Done. So run this command now. Okay. So here enter Rajesh123, Rajesh123. You see here. Okay, sorry, I run this not the one which I wanted to run. So var play dot yaml enter. Now this is asking Rajesh123, Rajesh123, and now see which version do you want to install. Look at this code here. Which version do you want to install? So just put 11 enter. And now see that copy and all happen. Now let's look at this output. So here you see output for the debug will be here my name. So are you having this my name? See here, my name is Rajesh Kumar in task and my age is this one. Okay, sorry, this is the one. My name is Rajesh Kumar in file. This is the output of it. Now here task variable is got called, which you see it here. And after that, here you are displaying my name is Rajesh, whatever it is, and my age is this one. See here. And now here, this is the debug again. So displaying the version and then go down. Now this command is running inside this directory and this is output. See Raj 1, Raj 2, Raj 3. So far so good.
Yes.
Now next thing is, what is this? So debug module, which will help you to display the output on the screen. So find output. So when you see find output, see here output you are seeing here. But you want to only display. This is a list. Remember, this is a list format in Python. One element, two elements, second, third element. So 0, 1, 2. So if you want to display all, then here you see find output, which is this one. This is the one which is this one. Okay, so you see find output dot std outline. So find output dot std outline. Now again you can deep dive into that. Find output dot std lines and 0. 0 means first element. So here you are seeing the first element. Got it?
Yes, Rajesh. Yeah.
So it's very simple. So here, which are the ways to declare variable? 1, 2, 3, and here 4, and the last one register 5. So these are the 5 ways which you can use to declare variables and values in the playbook. Are you comfortable?
Yes.
Okay. Now next topic is how do we how do we how to set conditions in Ansible playbook? That is a question. And how to do looping, okay, looping in Ansible playbook. So this is the two questions which we need to answer. So let me show you. So here I'll go and search for, I'm putting this URL here, it's already there now. Yeah, so here I'll put it here, how to do condition and DevOps school, enter. Now you see here there is one, and this code is good. Yeah, this is good. Okay, so this you can use it. And
Okay.
how to do looping, and this you have to put DevOps school, and this is the one which you can do that. So this is the one you can do that. Now let me explain it to you. So before explaining this one, I want to tell you fact variable. What is a fact variable? So understand this fact variable. So fact variable is a variable which is constant and which is the property of your ARS. ARS means Ansible remote server, and basically system information, is called fact variable.
Mm.
System
Okay.
information means your operating system, version, CPU, RAM, device driver, storage driver, network, all this information which is a system information, you have Ansible automatically set it up, and that's called fact variable. So now the question is, how do I see the command line fact variable? So let me show you. So here Ansible ad hoc commands, and then after that localhost, and here, and where I want to run module M, there's a module called setup which will help you to run the fact variable. Enter without parameter. See, these all are fact variable. Any variable starting with Ansible underscore is a fact variable. The values will be from the your ARS server, and then it will be set as a fact variable. So let me search for OS grep hyphen o OS. So what is OS? So this is Ubuntu, right? So see here, host name is this one, and OS family Debian you see, and somewhere here version you have it, BIOS you have it. So many things you have it. Understood now? Fact variable. So any variable is starting with the Ansible underscore, and that is representing the fact variable. Typically, in simple way, you want to call it system info. Got it?
Okay, got it.
Now the question is how to set the condition in Ansible. So the clause is when. Let me show you. So look at this only few programs. No need to complicate this flow. So this is the one. Okay. Now look at this program. See here. Now what is this? Fact variable. What is this? Fact variable. So
Yes.
here you are saying, let me show you Ubuntu. It will be easy for you. This is CentOS. This is CentOS. Ubuntu. So you see here, now you know this particular task very well. So now what we are saying, read this line, the one which is selected. Here what I'm saying, if Ansible underscore, when Ansible underscore OS underscore family is equal to Debian and Ansible system is Linux. So if this both are true and here in between and, then run this module. Others don't run it because APT you want to run it only in the Ubuntu, right?
Yes.
So simple. So how to put the condition? Using when. Here you see there's one more condition. Look at this here. So here you are saying, hey, start the service. Name of the service Apache 2. Remember, in Ubuntu, the service name is Apache 2, but in CentOS, service name is HTTPD. So here what you are saying, multiple conditions. Hey, Ansible OS family is equal to Debian is equal to, see here. When the major version is 20 and system is Linux, then only you run this module. So three conditions you have it. Getting my points?
Got it. Yeah, yeah. So,
So the
yeah,
yeah.
yeah, go ahead.
So now this is with fact variable. It's not like only fact variable you have to use. You can use your own variable also. For example, here you see this example, the one which I'm selecting the code. Here you are saying, hey, display this message only when my name is not equal to Rajesh Kumar. So this is not equal to. Got it? So you can set the condition statement using when in playbook, Ansible playbook, and this you can use a fact variable, or you can use the custom variable which you declare in the playbook or whatever it is.
Rajesh, just 1 minute. Correct me if I'm wrong. So here you will be giving the group name also. On group name, if you want to perform fact variable, then we
Group
need to perform.
group name means here.
Yeah, yeah, host. You'll give. So for fact variable, do we need to give group name or I mean host or no need?
Fact variable is from the every machine. Fact variable is constant variable. System information is called fact variable. See, when you
Okay, so
go
even
and
if
my
you give IP address also, instead of directly installing, you're checking if that OS type is Linux, that everything will
Right,
check and then you will do install. That is what you meant, right?
right. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Got it?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes.
So that is called fact variable. Sorry, that is called conditioning. Now, how do we do the looping? So for this, you can use this tutorial. Let me show you example. Look at this. Only understand this part. There's a simple way to loop. So see, if you want to install Git, HTTPD, and NTP. So option number one, you have tried the three tasks. Agree with me? Three times apt install and apt install. Correct now? But
Yes,
here I
yes,
am
yes.
doing. But if you look at this clearly, it's just a one task. So what we are doing with item, remember, with item in YAML will convert into the loop. Remember. So here what we are saying with item element 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever you want to do. And all this element, how can you access? With item. So that means if you say with item, so that means this task will run that many times. How many times? 1, 2, 3. And then how do we call each of this value element? So with item. Simple. So here this will run three times, and first time it will install Git, second time install HTTPD, third time it will install NTP in CentOS. Got it? With
Yes,
item.
with
So
item.
this is the
Yes,
way.
yes.
Yeah. So this is the way you can do the loop in the playbook. Got it?
Yeah, I got it. I understood.
Yeah. So now next question. So we discussed about what is playbook. Then I showed you how to write a playbook, and you see the examples, a lot of examples for each of modules you'll see. And after that we ran it, the playbook. And after that we talk about the variables, five different types of kind places you can declare the variable in playbook. And after that we discuss about how do we set up conditions and looping. Now what next? So now next topic is template, and then handler, and then roles. These three topics I'm having right now. So here we'll migrate to this place. Okay. So before that we'll have to discuss about template and handlers and roles. So this is the next topic I will talk about tomorrow. Once you practice a little bit of playbook, then you'll be able to
Okay.
digest these roles actually. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, yeah.